In this video, we start with a compelling hook. Are you tired of blurred vision, constant eye strain, or battling glare on digital screens? What if a single natural supplement could target these issues at their root? Introduce iGenics as the breakthrough vision supplement, combining 12 clinically researched ingredients like lutein, zeaxanthin, bilberry, saffron, ginkgo biloba, turmeric, zinc, copper, vitamins C and E designed to improve clarity, relieve strain, protect macular health, support circulation, and reduce inflammation. Highlight: it's made in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility. Non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, and includes a generous 180-day money-back guarantee. In the second segment, detail the precise benefits: enhance sharpness and contrast, less tired eyes after long screen hours, improved night driving visibility, less glare, and dry eye relief. Share real stories. Emily in Ohio said no more fatigue or dryness. John in Texas reports blurry reading gone. Lisa in Colorado sees sharper night vision. Next, explain how it works. Lutein and zeaxanthin build your macular pigment and act as blue light filters. Bilberry and saffron protect tiny blood vessels and fight oxidative stress. Turmeric and vitamin C reduce inflammation and shield against cellular damage. Ginkgo improves ocular blood flow. Zinc and copper support structural eye health. Black pepper boosts absorption. Mentioned dosage: 2 capsules daily with meals containing healthy fats for optimal uptake. Den cover usage timeline and guarantee. Many users feel relief in 3 to 6 weeks, with progressive improvements over 3, 6, or 12 months. Recommend structured plans: 30-day starter, 90-day foundation, 180-day optimization with 180-day satisfaction guarantee, risk-free clarify return policy, full refund with simple requests if results aren't seen, no hidden fees. Address concerns. Side effects are rare since it's all natural, but if you take blood thinners or have medical conditions, check with your doctor. Highlight: exclusivity only, available through the official site, often with bonuses like guides on eye-healthy foods and exercises. Mention pricing. Single bottle about $39 to $49. Bulk options offer best per bottle savings and free shipping. Finally, deliver a persuasive CTA. If you're ready to reclaim clear, comfortable vision, click the link below. Visit the official iGenics site. Pick your plan and start your journey today. With a 180-day guarantee, you've literally got nothing to lose except the eye fatigue, blurriness, and glare. Act now before the limited time discount disappears. This script lays out the problem, introduces the solution with credible backing, walks through mechanics and real user experiences, addresses concerns and risk, emphasizes urgency, and ends with a clear, compelling call to action, perfect for high viewer engagement and retention.